Hello everyone, my name is Tanviranjum Niloy and I am a full stack developer and also Python nerd, and I am working in a Django, Python and also REST frameworks. So you know that the Django REST frameworks means DRF, and are you a Django developer ready to take your skill on the next level? So want to build a powerful backend APIs just like Instagram, Spotify or YouTube? Then the Django REST framework series in a made just for you. And let's unlock this power of APIs one step at a time. So actually, what is the Django REST frameworks? So now I can discuss what is the Django REST framework. Django REST framework means DRF, and it is a powerful and flexible toolkit built upon the top Django's that allow you can easily build a web APIs and web application and backend systems. In the simple word, it leads to a Django application communicate with a front-end app, mobile application, IoT device, or any client using a JSON-based RESTful API. With a DRF, you can create a get, post, put, delete endpoint every very easily, and all while keeping things secure, scalable, and also very Pythonic. So. Uh, that is the overview of Django REST frameworks. And why should you learn DRF? It has a lot of reasons. Like that, if you want to become a full stack developer, DRF is the must-have skills. And if you are learn REST frameworks, Value.js, Angular, Flutter, mobile application development, you will need a backend that is speak JSON. DRF does it that perfectly, and it's used in a real world production by companies and startup for building scalable APIs. So whether you are a student, freelancer planning to join companies, DRF adds a series power of your Django toolbox. And Django REST frameworks use that a core concept like that serialization, views, route, permission, authentication to protect your APIs. In this series, we will explore all the things step by steps with the hands-on projects. So and DRF is the build a RESTful APIs or mobile apps like a Android, iOS, and also backend for a JavaScript frontend. And it's provide admin dashboard and e-commerce API. And some of the project are using Django REST frameworks that is the related to IoT device communication. For example, imagine building a to-do app, weather app, or even a drone controlling dashboard. DRF make it possible. And this series, I will guide you to taught setting up a Django or DRF project, and also how to create a URL for a serialization. And I also create serializer and models and build card APIs step by steps, and adding authentication and permission, and finally deploy the APIs to the cloud. And we will also explore real world mini project so you can apply that you learn. And if you are ready to build modern web APIs, Python or Django, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and follow the playlist. In the next video, I will start by setting up to this environment and creating our first Django project with a REST frameworks. This is going to be a fun and powerful journey into a backend development. Let's get started.